You see thousands of them every day, on your phone, on the street, advertisements. But they aren't just pictures. They are highly engineered machines designed for one purpose, to manufacture desire. And they do it using a secret language of sight and sound. Every ad is built on 4 pillars: the brand, the visual hook, the written copy, and the call to action, like buy now. But the real magic happens in the mechanics. Notice how the most important thing in an ad is rarely dead center? That's the rule of thirds. Designers place key elements at the intersection points of an invisible 3x3 grid because that's where our eyes naturally go. They also use vectors, invisible lines that guide your gaze, a road pointing to the product or a model's eyes looking right at it. But when a model looks directly at you, that's a demand gaze, creating a powerful personal connection. Then there are the emotional shortcuts. Color isn't just decoration. Red signals urgency and hunger. Think fast food logos. Blue builds trust. Think banks and tech companies. Sound works even deeper. The satisfying crunch of a chip or a catchy jingle can get stuck in your brain for decades, triggering mirror neurons that make you feel the experience. Once you learn to see these wires, you can't unsee them. You're no longer just a passive consumer. You're in the driver's seat, able to appreciate the art while understanding the strategy. You know how to talk back.